Learn, friends, to be happy. And therefore our Maha Mantra, wherever you are, whenever you are, whatever you are, be 100%. That's it. Now we are in the satsang. During the satsang, be only satsangi. No effort. But we become mother, father, brother, officer, junior, senior, businessman, so many. And therefore we are not one. We are a crowd inside, a poultry farm. Constantly cock, cock, cock going on. So, abhyasa, don't struggle. Then, Shuddham, Buddham, Priyam, Purnam, Nishprapancham, Niramayam, Atmanam, Tam na jananti. They will never come to know their divine nature if you are struggling. Patanjali. Prayatna Shaithilya Ananta Samapatti Bhyam. Hold on to this sutra. Wherever there are efforts, we are not normal. When one has asthma, then what is this? Normal nahi hai na? Efforts. And if you are normal, we even don't know that we are breathing. Can you tell how many times we breathe per minute? We breathe, that also we don't know. It is happening. Exactly the same way. Lesser the efforts in life, we are closer to the divine nature. Our whole life is a struggle. We want to prove something to somebody. Alas, we don't know what we want to prove and to whom and who cares for us. The husband tries to prove that I love wife. The wife tries to prove I love husband. And both of them, they are cheating mutually. Relax, friends, relax. Be sincere. These two struggles indicate a strong personality. We want to prove something. What do you want to prove? And in that struggle, we lose the charm of our life. Prayatna Shaithilya, minimum efforts in life. You must have seen those who are learning for the first time the driving, how much effort they have to put. One lady in Mumbai told me, Swamiji, now I have learned driving. I can take you from Andheri, I can take you to wherever you want. I said, I had to go to Bhendi Bazaar. Come, we went. When we came halfway, Dadar, she parked the car. I said, Amma, we have to go further. Swamiji is such a lovely parking place. So I parked it here. Then how we'll go? We'll take a taxi and go. So why? No, I can't reverse the car. See? Wherever there are efforts, you are not normal. And once one is expert in driving, you must have seen these big tanker drivers, how terrible they are. They go so speed and perfectly, not even an inch mistake they make. And therefore, they are effortless. See? This happened in USA only, some time back, few years before. The police stopped this big, container driver, yes, and wanted to see, drunk. He said, you are drunk? Yes, I have taken. He said, you want to see my drinking or my driving? He said, can you park the car and put it there reverse? The driver said, I can do it. Can you do it? Show me. Now the police could not do it. He said, if I do, will you charge? No, I will not charge you. He did it in one go. See, wherever you are effortless, you are normal. And our efforts are struggle to prove something. Don't struggle. Therefore, Atmanam tamna vijananti tatrabhyasa parajanaha. The water flows effortlessly downwards. If you have to go the up way, then you have to put efforts. Relax, relax.